What's going on, guys? This is Jared from ZoomTan again, and I've been doing a lot of videos lately on spray tanning and how to get the best results and that sort of thing. So I wanted to do a video today to talk to you guys about how exactly the spray tan solution works with your skin, and also the different types of bronzers that we have here at ZoomTan and the proper way to use those. So today I'm going to talk about the spray tan solution and how the bronzer works. So the first thing that I want to mention is that there are two different kinds of bronzers. There is instant bronzer and there is also clear bronzer. Both the instant bronzer and the clear bronzer do have the active ingredient dihydroxyacetone. What that is a long-term bronzer that will continue to develop on your skin for up to 24 hours after your spray tan. The DHA, or dihydroxyacetone, is something that is a sugar that reacts with the proteins in the top layer of your skin. Usually it's made with sugar beets or made with sugar cane or something along those lines, but what's happening is that sugar is reacting with your skin's protein and it is actually tinting the top layer of your skin. So as I said, both the instant and the clear bronzer do have the DHA in them, so they are both going to continue to develop on your skin for up to 24 hours after your session. So you're probably wondering what makes these two bronzers different. And the instant bronzer not only has the DHA, but it also has a cosmetic bronzer in it that's going to give you color right away, and that's called natural bronzer. Now that natural bronzer is washable, so it will come off after you take a shower, and that long-term DHA will last for another 5 to 7 days. The big difference with the clear bronzer is it is not going to show up right away. It is actually going to show up about 2 to 3 hours after your spray tan session. However, it will still develop for up to 24 hours after your spray tan, and it will also last you about 5 to 7 days. So the biggest difference between the two is that the instant bronzer has natural bronzer. So now that we've gone over the differences between them, you're probably wondering which type you should use when you come in. And I think that depends on how new you are to spray tanning and also what you plan to do after your spray tan. If you're a new spray tanner, I definitely suggest doing the instant bronzer initially, so you can see how it's going to come out right away, and if there's anything that you want to blend, you're going to know right away. If you feel confident with the spray tanning, or you're going to be going back to work and you don't want it to show up immediately or something like that, that's when I suggest the clear. So like I said, if you're a new spray tanner, I would definitely go with the instant so you see the color right away. And if you're going to be spray tanning and you're going back to work or you don't want the color to come up right away, that's the time for the clear. So guys, that's the difference between the instant and the clear bronzer here at ZoomTan, and also an explanation of the active ingredient DHA or dihydroxyacetone. So as always, if you like this video, do please hit the like button, and also do subscribe to the channel for more ZoomTan content. And let us know down in the comment section below if you found this helpful and if this helped you to understand how the spray tan works better. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.